So you and I know that what it feels like to go through a process that you need to work in your favor. And you do all the work that's needed. If you need to get new education or learn new skills, you put it into action. You alter who you are to be more successful. And at the moment that the success is about to happen, where you're about to reap the harvest of your hard work, a third party comes in and destroys everything. If it happens once, we can get past it. We'll try harder the next time. We'll learn from the lessons of the first failure. If it happens a second time, well, maybe it wasn't meant to be, but I'll give it one more shot. I'll try again. But it happens a third time and a fourth time. Not only are we not reaping the fruits of our labor, but our well has run dry. We ran out of resource. And this is what causes the dream to go away. This is what causes us to lose the vision. You see, we always battle with faith